Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert picture in Canva. So first of all you need to open up your Canva application here, and you will see this kind of interface in your mobile phone, and then you need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen here. So you will tap on this plus icon here, and then you will tap on, then you can actually select any kind of template here. So just tap on Instagram story here, and it will load up the blank canvas for you. So now in order to actually upload the picture, what you will do here, you will tap on this plus icon at the bottom left, and then here you can see that you can select any kind of template or any kind of picture. And if you want to actually upload the picture from your mobile phone, your gallery, you will tap on this gallery icon here, and then you will tap on the images icon here, and it will load up all the images in your mobile phone. So let's suppose I wanted to add this I will just tap on this and add to page, and you will see here that the picture will be displayed here. So that's how to insert a picture in Canva. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.